Hey guys, this is Manmohit here, back again with yet another video. Now in today's video I would be showing you how to in PowerPoint presentation add any kind of audio file that you have stored on your computer. Now before we proceed, if you like my videos and if you want more such content and such tips and tricks and other things, some tutorials regarding different apps, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any further updates. Now let's just begin. First of all, once you open up your PowerPoint and select any kind of new presentation, in order to add any audio, simply head over to the insert section, and in insert tab you will see various options, and if you look on the top right corner you will see this audio bar which is listed up here. Now hit this audio option and then click on audio on my PC. Now when you click on that, you will open up the dialog box and it will ask you to select any kind of audio that you want in your presentation. Now let's, for this purpose of video, select this sample audio. Click on it and then click on insert. Okay, right now as you can see that audio has been pasted in your PowerPoint presentation. Now you can simply drag and drop wherever you want for this particular symbol. Let's say I want to paste it up here. Now there are two ways of playing this audio. Either you can simply play by clicking on the play button, or if you are presenting this presentation you can simply head over to the slideshow, and as you can see that slide would be displayed with that audio symbol listed up there. Now either you can go over there and then click on the play option, or you can simply hit the arrow, the forward arrow key on your keyboard, and it will automatically start playing. Okay, something like this. So this is how easily you can add any audio in any presentation file. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, feel free to like and hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel if you want more future updates. And with that, I'm out.